Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC lets you assign ratings to files through a star system. You can award a photo from 0 to 5 stars. After you rate your photos, you can then use filtering and sorting to display only photos with a specific number of stars or with a minimum number of stars. Ratings can be set and displayed in any library module view. Lightroom Classic CC provides many different ways to apply ratings to photos. To set a rating for a photo in the grid view, click to select the photo's thumbnail. Then choose Photo, Set Rating from the menu bar. Click to then select the appropriate rating to apply from the sub-menu. You can also apply the same rating to multiple photos in the grid view using the same method. Simply select multiple photos before setting the rating. Rating stars appear on the thumbnail image mat. If you do not see your ratings on the thumbnail mats, refer to the previous lesson for instructions about how to display them. Within the library module, you can also set ratings in the film strip. However, you must apply ratings one at a time in the film strip. If you select multiple photos in the film strip and then set a rating, the rating will only be applied to the active photo. To set a rating from the film strip, click to select a photo. Then choose Photo, Set Rating from the menu bar. You can also set ratings using your keyboard in both the grid and film strip. To do this, simply click to select a thumbnail and then press a number key from 1 through 5 on your keyboard. If you hold down the Shift key when you press the number key, Lightroom Classic CC applies the rating and then selects the next photo. You can continue holding down the Shift key to quickly set ratings for a series of contiguous photos. Some library module views display 5 dots below the image in the thumbnail mat. In the grid view and the survey view, you have to hover over an unrated thumbnail to see the dots. In the compare view, dots appear beneath each photo. You can apply ratings by clicking the dots under a photo. Clicking the first dot assigns 1 star, clicking the second dot assigns 2 stars, and so on. You can also use the Painter tool to set ratings in the grid view. To do this, select the Painter tool from the toolbar. The cursor changes to a paint tool. Next, choose Rating from the Paint menu in the toolbar. Then click within the toolbar to specify the number of stars to apply. When you see the correct rating reflected in the toolbar, click to apply that rating to one or more photos in the grid. You can click to apply the rating one photo at a time, or click and drag to apply the rating to multiple photos. You can also click into the toolbar and change the rating while the Painter tool is active. After applying ratings, click the circular well to the left of the Paint menu to disable the Painter tool. You can also set ratings using the library module's toolbar as long as the rating stars are displayed. If you don't see the rating stars in the toolbar, select Rating from the toolbar's Options menu. To apply ratings using the toolbar, click to select one or more photos in the grid view. Then click a rating star in the toolbar to assign a rating to the photo or photos. You can use this same method after clicking to select a photo in the film strip as well. However, keep in mind that you can only rate one photo at a time from within the film strip. If you select multiple photos in the film strip and then set a rating from the toolbar, the rating is only applied to the active photo. You can even set ratings in the metadata panel. To do this, expand the panel. Then click to select a photo in either the grid or film strip. In the middle of the metadata panel, you'll see an area labeled Rating. Click the appropriate number of stars in the rating area to set the rating for the photo. You can easily change or remove a photo's rating. To change a rating, click to select a photo in the grid or film strip. Then apply a new rating using any method just described. To remove a photo's rating entirely, click to select the photo. Then click just to the left of the first star in the toolbar if the ratings are displayed. Alternatively, you can select a photo and then choose Photo, Set Rating, None from the menu bar. You can even remove a rating of a selected photo by clicking to select the photo and then pressing the 0 key on your keyboard.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.